3 common mistakes you do when you use DERMAROLLER. Number 1, you're using fake DERMAROLLER. Yeah, you're using fake DERMAROLLER. Most of you guys use freaking fake DERMAROLLER and you don't even know. Why would you use fake DERMAROLLER, right? Why would you use something fake at all? So, real DERMAROLLER, I'm gonna show you how real DERMAROLLER looks like with the needles inside. Real DERMAROLLERs have real needles inside. Fake DERMAROLLERs, like this, have a fake needles inside. So this is that I took apart one DERMAROLLER that comes in bunch of these wheels. Over here, for example, one of those wheels, this is how fake DERMAROLLER looks like. It does not have needles. Basically, you have a round wheel with kind of spiky, like a knife shape spikes that actually, when you roll on the skin, check out my video. I'm gonna put somewhere here in the corner where I put this kind of wheel DERMAROLLER, fake DERMAROLLER under the microscope, and when I roll on the piece of paper, you can actually see how big holes this makes and uneven, so that can scratch your skin, and that's why you do not see results. That's why it's hurting, because it's this kind of like knife-shaped needles going into your skin. Of course, you guys, you're not gonna have results. It's gonna be painful, and it shouldn't be called DERMAROLLER if this doesn't have real needles. That's not even needles. I don't know what the freaking is this, but that's not needles. Number 2, you do not know how often to use DERMAROLLER. Many of you guys, you're like, I want results tomorrow. I want to look 10 years younger tomorrow. I want to get rid of acne scars in a month or 2. That doesn't work like this. Especially acne scars takes a lot of times, and I'm talking about not weeks, not months, sometimes few years. So, how often to use each of the DERMAROLLER? I have on my website in the frequently asked section how often you should use DERMAROLLER or for what kind of issue. I have a table over here. I'm gonna put on the top over here in this video, or you can go to ginamber.com in the frequently asked section. There is a table. You can screenshot the table, you can save it, you can put in your somewhere in the bathroom on the mirror or something like that, and you can know how often to use it. If you're not using properly, you're not gonna have results. And opposite, you can have a premature aging, scarring, or something going on with your skin. You have to know how and what kind of DERMAROLLER you should be using. Number 3, make sure you know what to apply after. So it's easier to know what to not apply after. Do not apply after anything that has fragrance, perfume, drying alcohol, parabens, silicones, phthalates, sodium lauryl sulfate, any kind of crap that can irritate your skin. Make sure your products are natural and non-irritating. You can buy any other brands, I don't care, but I have personally specialized in microneedling, and I do have serums on my website that are specifically designed to use after microneedling. If you want more information, go to ginamber.com and check out. I am the queen of DERMAROLLERs. I have DERMAROLLER brand, I have DERMAROLLER line, and all the products that you can use after DERMAROLLER. If you want safe products, right products that work, go check out my website. I have a discount code down below in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave me down below in this comment section. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Click that red button and you will be notified next time when I have any other microneedling videos. This channel is all about microneedling and skincare, how to have naturally beautiful skin. Who doesn't want to have beautiful skin? I know I want. I know if you're watching me, you want as well. I love you, and I see you in my next video. Bye! Mwah.